this is good. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, or good night, ladies and gentlemen. My name is George, and what is the episode? So last time we stopped at proportions, and today we will do letters. So before we start, actually, a little life hack. If you're using your right hand for do all the job, all of the necessary job, your lamp must be on the left side. And if you're using your left hand, your lamp must be on the opposite side. It is made because when you're drawing, the shadow will cover your letters. You will not see what you're writing. So this is a small tip that can help you in the future. That's so simple. First, let's do the outline on proportions. Okay, as usual. Oh, where'd the pen? So we begin with the 4 nib side or nib width. You hold your nib 45-degree angle and go with the straight lines. So we begin with the letter I. First we draw the diamond, 45-degree angle, and we go one line down from the middle. Then we add diamond. Then diamond at the top. Now we have letter I. This is the easiest one, the simplest one. And from letter I, you can draw letter J. For example, if you draw the diamond, you just go slightly lower to the center and curve the bottom line. Diamond at the top, and basically you're done with letter J. Now, just to make sure, we can go to letter O. From letter O, you can draw like a big amount of letters. So, for example, then you go line at the top. Then basically you just connect and you have letter O. So now to have letter A, we just basically do the same and add a little tail at the end. Now after this we can draw letter D. We begin the same as letter O and A. Stroke at the bottom. But now we do the stroke at the top. Go down and connect. Step 1, step 2, step 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Letter J. Let's do letter L. Letter L, we start with the diamond at the top, then we go straight line down, and then we do the stroke at the end with the small tail. This is our letter L. So if we want to draw letter B, we basically do the same, go down, stroke, and we finish it at the same as in letter O. Now we have letter B. H. The bottom, the same as in letter B, but this time we go down with a small tail. Stroke. Here is the trick. We go one stroke, thin, down, straight line, and finish it in letter H. Letter K. So, next. I forgot letter C. Letter C is the same as letter O. We just go stroke down and at the top. Letter E. Begin the same. Stroke at the bottom Then with one move, we add top hat.